Hello people of the world, it's Rachel. I am back to do another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Right now I live in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it is 113 degrees where I live. So I apologize for being a little bit pink and perhaps a bit sweaty, but I thought it actually gave me an inspiration for this video. So today I'm gonna do a sweat-proof summer makeup tutorial, and it's gonna be very little makeup, not a lot of makeup on the eyes. It's just gonna be mainly focused on the skin and a bright, bold lip. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. So today I'm actually gonna start off with the skin. This is going to be a very wearable daytime type of look, so I'm not going to use any eyeshadow today. So for this look today, we're actually going to start off with setting spray. I found that in order to make your makeup last as long as possible, you actually should spray your face first with setting spray. So we're going to use L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glo Foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to concealer. This is of course Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 15 Fair. And I'm only gonna use a little bit of this because I don't want my face to look super cakey. So let's go ahead and contour the face a tiny bit. So now I'm going to move on to blush. I'm using Milani Luminoso again. I just find that this is such a pretty blush for summer. It's very coral, and it also has a little bit of a sheen in there, so it's a little bit sparkly. It's really, really, really pretty. Oh, the air conditioning just kicked on. So I'm going to move on to highlight now, and I'm actually going to use a shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So right before I do my highlight, I'm actually going to spray my face again. This will make the highlight more noticeable. It'll make it also stay longer. Okay, and while that's drying, you want to go right in with your highlighter so that it has something to stick onto. And I'm going to go into in light, that one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm not doing any type of eyeshadow. And always remember to keep the mirror down low so you don't get it on your eyelid. This NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Life's a Beach. That's so bright. Wow, I've never used this before. And so now to finalize the whole look, we're gonna go back in with our setting spray. I know that there's a lot of setting spray in this, but it really does make a difference if you want it to be sweat proof and last all day. So let's spray one more time. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you feel so inclined. I will see you guys on my next video. My mirror is so dirty. I literally have lash glue on me from the last time I filmed. What I'm going to do, we're going blah, 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 blah. So now I'm going to move on to blush. I'm going to do Milani. I'm actually going to spray my face one more time with not Fix Plus. God, this is not Fix Plus. And again, it just reiterates, no. I have this NYX, whoa, it literally just flew out of my hand. And I want it to be, you could use, Hi, Mommy. I'm filming. No, it's okay. That should be my thumbnail. I look like Cindy Lou Who from The Grinch. Ow. Ow. Oh, God, that was not pleasant. Ow!